DigitalBix Fashions. Come winters, we are all working on how to style ourselves so that we can keep warm while also looking stylish. Sweaters are a necessity during winters and no one can do without them. Here is a list of 5 woolen sweater designs for men. Number 1. Solid colored sweaters. Solid colored sweaters are winter classic sweaters and hence an essential part of the wardrobe. Pullovers in solid colors are the best winter sweaters to go for when aiming for both versatility and comfort. Number 2. Sleeveless sweaters. A sleeveless sweater is a must have for layering purposes. You can wear this as one of the layers inside your jacket or even wear this as only layer over a full sleeved outfit. Number 3. Turtleneck sweaters. A turtleneck sweater is something you just cannot do without during the winter season. It can be teamed with practically anything in the wardrobe. Number 4. Striped sweaters. Stripes are the coolest way to add some variety to your winter clothing collection. They add the perfectly simple retro vibe to an otherwise dull look. Number 5. Black winter sweaters. Your winter wardrobe is incomplete without a black sweater for creating classy winter looks. Black is a color that is multifaceted and can be worn with most outfits. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel DigitalBix Fashions.